Hello, KW agents. This is Eddie Grass, and I have a quick video for you guys on how to add a download my app page onto your agent website. It's really easy to do and just takes a few steps. So I want to walk you guys through it real quickly and get you guys going with a page on your website that has the download my app on there and also has that video that KWRI put out on there also. So let's get started. I'm going to start sharing my screen real quick here. And let's get going. So I need you guys all to first sign on to Command. First thing we're going to do once we've signed into Command is we're going to go down to the applet that says Consumer on here. And I just want to give you also a quick tip. If any time that you are lost in Command, you can always hit that red button. And we're going to go down here to Consumer. Once we are down in Consumer, what we're going to do is we're going to go up to this blue button up here that says Create a New Site. Clicking Create New Site on my agent site, and then Create Page. Once we've done that, we're going to pull up a blank page that we can start building this page. So as I said, today we are going to build a web page that has the video on it and also a download my app feature on there. So the first thing we want to do, and this is for any web page that you build, is we're going to be putting in some blocks into it. So we're going to go down here where it says layout blocks. And we're going to pick what is a 1 to 3 section. This is for the video that we're going to start first. And we're going to put the video on top. So I'm going to drag this over, and you see that green line up there. I'm just going to drag it there and drop. And now you can see that there's 3 blocks because it's a 1/3 section right there. And that's why I want to put the video right in the center here so it's centered on the page. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do content blocks, and I'm going to grab a text box. Now you can see there is no place for a video in these content blocks. And that meaning we have to do what's called iframe widgets. And I'll explain that in just a little bit. But before we do that, we need to put a text box so that we can put that iframe widget language into that text box. So I'm going to drag that, and I'm going to drop it in that middle section that we created right there, and drop a text box right there. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a widget in there. And the widget, there must be a widget on every page that you design. And this one that we're going to put in is the download my app. So we're going to drag that, and we're going to drop it into that section right below those 3 sections that we built, dropping it right there. So as you can see, we're already starting to build this app. So now we have those 3 sections. We put the text box in the middle, and we put this widget of download my app. Now we need to put that video right there in the center. So where is that video? Well, it's actually on YouTube, and I have it pulled up here. If you go onto YouTube and you search KW Consumer App, it's this one called the KW app So Much More Than Search. And you've probably seen this one. I'll play it real quick here. It's that app that was produced during Family Reunion, and it really does a great job of illustrating the app for your consumers. Pause it right there, because we've all seen that video. Now I want to do is take this video and put it into our page. The way we do that is we're going to go down here where it says share. We're going to click share. And now we're going to click this button that says embed. We're going to click embed. And here is that iframe widget language that I was talking about. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy it right there at the bottom. We've copied it. Now we're going to go back to the tab that we were building. And here is where we're going to put it. And we're going to put it in this text box right there. So I'm going to click this text box, and I'm going to paste it right there. You can see I just paste the language exactly from the YouTube into the page here. We just have to do one more thing on this page so that we can get this going here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to configure the widgets. There really is nothing to configure, but we just want to really go through this, save and apply. And if you wanted to change any of the language here where it says download the KW app, you can do that. And so I just use those errors right there on top to configure this right here. And I'm gonna hit save and apply. I actually like the language it says, so I'm gonna keep it right there. Save and apply. Now we wanna name this page here. So I'm gonna just name it Download My App. And I'm gonna save these changes here. And it's gonna ask me if I wanna publish it, yes. However, even though it asked if you wanted to publish it, it's not yet visible on your page. And the way you can see that is if you are here on the agent site pages where it drops you off, you'll see download my app has a gray eye. That means that it's not viewable yet. If it were to be viewable, it would have this green eye right there. So I want to make this eye green right there. The way I do that is I'm going to click over here to Site and App Settings. Clicking Site and App Settings, and then I'm going to click Site Pages. Right there. Now, what I want to do is add that page. So I'm going to click down here to Add Page. Now, what I want to do is go down to the bottom and pick the page that I built. And I will pick that one. I won't show this one to you, but I'm going to pick that and hit create. Now, I already actually have that built. What I would do now is put a title of the page, put a slug, which is just like when you see a URL on top, it has little slugs right there to designate what this page is. And I will type download my app, because this is going to show on the menu of what is going to be that page. And I can write some SEO descriptions, things like download search app, or things like home buying, iPhone, Android. You guys get the idea. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit Save Changes. Now, I'm going to open up my site because it's actually already up there. Let's take a look. I bring up my site and I click on my menu. There is Download My App. And look at that. The video and the widget for Download My App is right there. And I can hit play, and there goes the video playing right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that all of you are working on your websites right now. There's a lot more things you can build. If you have any questions, feel free to call the command hotline or join one of our Genius Bars, and we'll get more information to you on building sites on your webpage. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much, and enjoy your day.